This is my piece when I crocheted in the ends. As you can tell, there's no visibility of the loose ends. But if I take it apart, you can tell that here I hid it. So it's very simple. All you're going to do is work your stitch like normal. This stitch that I'm doing is a rib stitch in the back loop. So I'm just doing a half double crochet into there. And when you get to your part like this, you can see the knot. You're going to work the knot as best as you can with that stitch. And then you're going to pull it and apply the tails to the underside of your piece that's not going to be showing. Then you're going to continue working your piece. So as you work it, you want to apply the tails over the hook like this. Insert your hook into the stitch, complete your stitch, and make sure that the tails are over this string. Yarn over and complete your stitch, and my stitch once again is a half double crochet. The next one, same thing, you have remaining tails. Make sure that it's over your hook. Hold it there with your thumb, insert your hook into the stitch, pull it through like this, and complete your stitch. And yarn over, insert your hook into your stitch, make sure that the tails are over your hook. As you do that, pull it through like this, and complete your stitch. And it works for any stitch that you want, single crochet, double crochet. In this case I'm doing a half double crochet, treble crochet, whichever one. And you just keep doing that until your tail is hidden. Like that. And as you can see, it is hidden from both sides. You cannot see where this tail is. So that's how you hide it in, and this gives me an opportunity to tell you that this is a new tutorial that will be coming out, so I'm currently working on that. I will be making you a wonderful tutorial on how to create a beautiful winter hat, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. So I hope you learned something, and check out my other full tutorials on my channel. Happy holidays!